Hi, I'm Joshua Meadows, and I'm a professional technologist with West Virginia University Extension Service. Today we're going to be doing one of our Try This at Home experiments. So this is Try This at Home experiment number 8, and it's called Binary Bracelets. So we'll go ahead and open the kit, but you can do this experiment even if you don't have a kit. All you need are some really simple things that you can find at any craft store or grocery store or anything like that. So the first one is you're just going to need some string, plain and simple. Any type of thin string will work, but elastic string works best. You can see this has some stretch to it. And then you'll just need some pony beads. You'll just need 2 different colors of pony beads, and you'll be using 8 in total. So the first thing we'll want to do is we'll want to look at the chart that tells us which letter corresponds to which binary number. So you'll find the letter that you want to code on your bracelet. So for example, I'm going to do H today for 4H. So I see here that H is 1001000. So I'll pick one color of bead to represent a 1, so that's going to be green for me. And then I'll pick another color of bead to be the 0, so that'll be white for me. The first thing we'll do is we'll fold the string in half and just tie a knot at the top. So when we do this, you should have a little loop at the top and then 2 strings hanging down. And then we'll start putting our beads on. So because H starts with a 1, we'll put a green bead on first because that was our 1. So you'll just thread the bead through, or thread the string through the bead, and then you'll take the other string and push it through the bead in the opposite direction. So you'll have an X through the bead with your string. Then you'll just pull that all the way down. And then we'll do the next bead. So the next bead is a 0, so we'll take a white bead. And it's the exact same thing. Put the string through one, and then put the other string through the opposite direction. And pull down. And so we'll just continue to follow the pattern. And once you're done, you might have to tug on it a little bit and straighten out the beads. But you should have something that looks like this when you're done. So a bracelet, and if you read it from left to right, you'll have 1 0 0 1 0 0. And that stands for H. So then we just tie a knot in it at the end. Take the 2 strings and just tie a simple knot at the end. And then you can have someone tie it around your wrist. So what is binary? We've just made our binary bracelet, but we haven't talked about what it is. Binary is a number system. It's just a way to count. So the number system we all use is called the decimal number system. And we have 10 digits. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Binary is a counting system that only has 2 digits, 0 and 1. So when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we go to 10, or 1, 0. So why is that important? We've talked about this number system, but what does it matter? Well, computers can only use 0s and 1s to store information. And so we have to use this binary number system to represent any kind of data that a computer stores. So the chart we use today is originally part of the ASCII, or the American Standard Code for Information. It was developed in the 1960s based on the telegraph system, or Morse code. Modern computers use something called Unicode, but they actually took this system and made it the first 128 characters. So anytime you type a key, like the H key on your keyboard, 1s and 0s just like this are getting stored on your computer. So we just finished making our binary bead bracelet. Now you can find these kits at all sorts of WVU extension events, or we have them available on our website. We hope you enjoy making your binary bead bracelet, and we hope you learned a little something about how computers work too.